Like and subscribe for more content. It helps me out and it makes me appreciate the hard work I've done. Now you could be wondering, why am I going back to Winterhorns? Well, because in the Battle of Blizzard Bridge, I've got something to show you that is a secret in this stage. Allow me to present. It's so sad to go on the Warp Star without Elfilin. It's a shame. Anyways, so if you go over here, you know the Maxim Tomato mission? Well, you got it, but you also gotta move up. Yep, just keep going up until you'll see a ladder. Step 2! You start climbing! Do you see the trail coin? What's next is you'll come across a window. Wait, hold on, let me open this chest real quick. Got it! Anyways, you come across a window, and then you go into it. And then what you see here is kind of like a good house. But then when you go on this Warp Star, it'll lead you to hard mode of this stage. Once by doing so, you will encounter 2 of the same bosses instead of 1. So if you want to try this out for yourself, go ahead. It goes the same with every boss, along with Wild Frosty, just to let you know. Okay, so you want to have a tornado battle? Fine, let's have a tornado battle then! Fuck! Dang, I got hit! How can a bird throw tornadoes? How is that possible? Doesn't matter. Fuck! Dang, I got hit again! Now she's gone. Ah yes, Bonkers, my favorite wild boss to face against. Better than Florina, to be honest. Got one! He's still alive! Well, time for another charge. Dragon fire! Wait, it's only just 1? Huh, this will be easy. That was easy! Wait, what?! If 1 Wild Frosty wasn't enough to take me out, they decided to summon 2 of them! Include all these coins. Ooh! Let's open this. Ooh, a switch. Don't mind if I do. Touch. Whoa! That's spectacular. We have completed hard mode.